Namaskar and welcome. I am Yatharth Sikka. In the next few minutes, we'll be getting the top news of the last 24 hours. On March 10, Delhi High Court ruled the occupation of public spaces of worship for residential purpose by the premises caretaker in a contrary to the law. The Delhi High Court was hearing a writ petition filed by the Masjid Zabta Ganj former Imam's son Zahir Ahmed challenging the Delhi Waqf Board and the Chanakyapuri Sub-Divisional Magistrate eviction order and seeking reinstatement in the property. The impugned property is next to the Masjid Zabta Ganj, Mansingh Road, India Gate, New Delhi. Enforcement Directorate has summoned Lulu Group MD and Chairman Yusuf Ali MA for questioning and concerning the Life Mission case. As per media reports, the notice comes a few days after the prime accused in the Kerala gold smuggling and Life Mission cases, Swapna Suresh, came on Facebook Live and made fresh set of allegations. In yet another case of false identity trap leading to forced religious conversion has come to light from the Indore district of Madhya Pradesh. The victim Hindu girl told the police that the accused Shadab Khan also terminated her pregnancy twice. On the victim's statement, the accused has been booked under the charges of rape, blackmailing and the Madhya Pradesh Freedom of Religion Act. The Budgam district of the Valley State, Jammu and Kashmir is witnessing massive protests over the death of a 35-year-old woman. The police have identified the accused as one Shabir Ahmed. As per the reports, the brother of the victim woman registered the missing report on March 8 at the Sohibuk police station. He stated that his 30-year-old sister, who left for coaching classes on March 7, did not return home. Based on the complaint, the police registered a case and started an investigation. The woman meets Shraddha Walker like fate. A case of rape inside the government school in the Amethi district of Uttar Pradesh has come to the fore. On March 13, 2023, the victim was allegedly sexually assaulted by the accused and the school principal Anis Ahmed while she was installed on the school premises. Anis is also accused of threatening to kill the family members of the victim. Police have registered an FIR in this matter. The accused is absconding since the case was registered against him. In Jharkhand, Arbaz Alam, Sahil Ansari among 4 arrested for killing a tribal girl trapped in a relationship for the human trafficking. Amid the growing menace of love jihad across the country, the police unraveled yet another case when they arrested one Arbaz Khan and his 3 associates accused in a missing person case filed in January 2022 in the Sahibganj district of Jharkhand. 14 months after the incident, it has come to light that the missing girl was killed by the accused after she resisted their human trafficking intentions. Security is an essential aspect for Jammu and Kashmir. Even tourism, youth empowerment and education are the sectors that we focused on. We are making a new start with the industrial investment. The budget is good for strengthening the base for the new Jammu and Kashmir, says Manoj Sinha, Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor. On March 14, NCB raid 2 of his shop founded 1.1 kg of charas and rupees 7 lakh 70 grams of charas and rupees 33.45 lakh cash and 977 gram of gold seized from his house. Probe underway. 3 individuals, including 2 Bharatiya Janata Party members, were allegedly assaulted with weapons on March 15. A case has been filed. The incident happened on March 14 night in the Palakkad district of Kerala. Vishnu and Dinesh, 2 BJP workers, were allegedly attacked with weapons. Vishnu's mother was also attacked when she tried to stop the attackers. The BBC hate against India continues. The story featuring Oscar awardees BBC skipped Natu Natu and the Elephant Whispers from the video. Apart from the recent Gujarat Right documentary, the Indian government had banned their documentaries in 2015 from the notably Nirbhaya case as well. Notably, the Indira Gandhi government also banned their film in 1970 based on poverty. BBC is known for its biased reportage during the 1965 war with the Goa liberation in 1961. On March 2, the Allahabad High Court granted bail to 2 LS terrorists arrested for the conspiracy to carry out a pressure cooker bombing in Lucknow on July 14, 2021. The special NIA court dismissed their bail plea earlier. The Allahabad High Court bench comprising Justices Ataur Rahman Masood and Om Prakash Shukla granted bail to Mohammad Mustaqim and Mohammad Shakil concerning the gravity of the offences of which the trial is framed and looking into the past antecedents of the appellants being embellished. As a mark of celebration for winning 2 Oscar Award, Minister of Information and Broadcasting Anurag Thakur will be holding a screening of both the Oscar Award-winning films in the Parliament for MPs next week in Delhi. The screening of these films, RRR and The Elephant Whispers, is likely to be held next week in the Bal Jogi Auditorium in the Parliament. CBI has a strong evidence based upon which this land for job case investigation is taking place. Now neither Nitish Kumar nor anyone can save the Lalu family. More people will be produced soon. The investigation is done on the basis of JDU's evidence, says BJP MP Sushil Modi. Gold weighing 1.2 kg worth rupees 69.40 lakh seized from a slipper of a passenger who arrived from Bangkok in the Bengaluru by the Indigo flight, says custom. In Jammu and Kashmir, joint forces of Baramulla police and army during a Naka check and the Singhpura Patan apprehended the terrorist associate of Lashkar-e-Taiba Ali Mohammad Butt. During his personal search, 71 live rounds of AK-47 were recovered and he was taken into custody. The case has been registered. We will be back with news at 9 tomorrow. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.